Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our third card using the Fragrant Layers Bundle, and it's Throwback Thursday. So I am going to be using the retired flat adhesive backed pearls for this one. So I'm using the Floral Charm Designer Series paper. This one I've got a Blackberry Bliss card base. I've already put a piece of Very Vanilla cut out with the perennial postage dies inside. 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the Floral Charm DSP. And then I used the same DSP but the other side to cut out with the die. What I did is I cut a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of the Designer Series paper, then centered the die over top and die cut it out. So I've got this. And we are adding a piece of vellum underneath just to give this piece a little bit more oomph, because if we put this on like this, we really lose it. But if we put it over top of the vellum, it mutes the background and we can see all of this in here. So super simple to put together. I've already done most of it. I've stamped the It's Your Day in the Very Vanilla, and then I've used a piece of the the Floral Charm DSP to cut out the frame for the greeting. So all we really need to do is put this together. So I'm just going to run some adhesive along this edge. And one of the reasons I chose this size was so that there was enough room to run my Stampin' seal along the edge. So this is a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of the vellum. And I'm just going to lay it over top like that so it fits perfectly. I am a little bit crooked, but that is not going to be a big deal. So let's go ahead and build our card front, and then I'll add some of those pearls and we will be good to go. So we're popping this like this. We could do this as a landscape card as well. Just popping this over here like this instead. But I really quite like it as a portrait oriented card. What I am going to do with this one is I'm going to put this closer to the top like this. And then the greeting is going to go across the bottom. So I've put some adhesive backing on this. I just had a little strip left and I didn't want to cut a whole bigger piece. So this is just what's left. This is going to go down across the bottom like this and attach down. And then we're going to pop this in the middle like this. There we go. And then we're going to add our gems. I actually really prefer this to this. I always learn a lot when I make my prototype card. They don't always turn out amazing. This is a berry burst background and I put a berry burst. I just use a blending brush to add some berry burst color because the white was really, really stark. But I prefer the layout of the second one. And I think I actually prefer the colors in the second one as well. So we're just going to add just a little bit of bling. I'm just going to put 3 of these, and they're all different shapes, so they're very kind of organic. Just going to pop these down like this. And then I'm going to put 1 in the center of each flower. Like that. Oops, I left putty on that. There we go. And we've got 1 more flower here. There we go. And if we want to go really crazy, we can add another one there. And it looks odd, so we're going to add another one on this side. So there we go. There is bling all over this card now. So this was the prototype. This is where I started. And then this is the card from the video. So let me know which colorway you prefer and which layout you prefer. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.